In this video you will learn how to submit oral response in myON. Note: 1. Locate the assignment from either 2 points. A. Assignment tab at the header. B. Assignments from the student's dashboard. Step 1. For oral response activities, select the activity. Then select Open Record Mode. Step 2. Select Start Recording. Step 3. Give your oral response. As you record, you will see the seconds count up.
Venus is sometimes called Earth's twin. It is our closest planetary neighbor, but it's very different from Earth. It doesn't have water, ocean, or life like Earth does, and its atmosphere is about 100 times thicker.
When you are done, select Stop. Step 4. After you stop the recording, you will see the message, Recording Made. You can choose Listen to myself to hear your recording, and select Stop when you are done. If you aren't satisfied with the recording or with your response, you can select Record again to start a new one. When you are satisfied with the response and ready to send it to your teacher, select Submit Oral Response. Step 5. After submitting the recording, you will see a message telling it's been turned in. You can still play the recording if you want to hear it again. Select Back to close the oral response activity.